bloody asshole! You bloody asshole! Alex! Are you stupid? My mother!
Alex, please stop! Stop it! Alex, just stop it now. Don't do this.
Don't get close to my mother next time!
Alex, please.
Alex, please. Please.
So how could you? How could you do this? After everything, we trusted you, Uzo.
Did you get into the car right now?
Mark this boy. Different.
Which can go?
Play this ball now.
Shut the ball now! Oh, change formation now. Which kind?
Oh, yeah, pass now. You play selfish ball. What's it with this now? Shoot. As about level. What's in this?
Now, ordinary man, you no feel. Which kind of rubbish with this one now?
Clear ball. Now, come on, go for my 18. Now, what's it with this now?
Shoot!
Go for 18!
Go!
I will slap this.
I thought that would be a camel. Go!
Babe, why can't you just open up and tell this guy you love him? I know you are nursing a secret love for this guy. Why do you find it difficult? Since our secondary school days till now, you still find it difficult to tell him how you feel about him. You know that Ozo is a nice person. But the point is that he's not just that lucky with women. I think you should just open up.
Chloe, how do I open up to him? How? Tell me. Yes, I love him. Yes, I want him to myself. But I can't go and meet him and tell him that I love him. I can't do that.
Why? So me that told your brother that I love him, did I die?
Look, that's not what I'm saying. But you need to understand that we are not the same. We are not. I can't buy such energy. I don't have such morale to do that. But I have shown him all the green lights. I'm showing him all the green lights. I'm showing him that, yes, I like him. But I can't go to him.
But what? Babe, but what? Make me understand.
Let's forget this.
Babe, there's nothing to forget about. I know on a very good day, this guy will get to meet a good person. I know you. The pain and the regret will not be here. I know you, my friend. Huh? So the best thing for you to do is to just shoot your shot. There is nothing there, babe. Just shoot your shot for God's sake. You love this guy.
Oh, God. Chloe, can we forget about this? Please. Can we? Thank you. I can't go and meet him. He's the man. He has to come and meet me. If he likes me, then he will come meet me.
Alright. You will till maybe till when he's married with kids.
Oh, don't say that.
Don't say what?
Yo, this one that your baby is still inside. Alpha. I will not go.
Yeah, but they crashed your house this weekend now.
This weekend again. Not like I'm complaining, but last time people slept here, I did not rest. I get it. That girl is loud.
No man.
What do you mean by normal?
No man. See, let me tell you. If you can't take it, my house is empty. Go to my house.
I can't leave my
No,
house.
go crash on my house. Make continue wound you. I tell you that my guy you be.
I have a lot of work on my hands and I have to complete those things this night.
Yeah.
Do you understand? I don't know if you just cover like that.
Okay, no man. Or better still, wear your headset. Fuse and cover your ears so that the noise don't go too loud. The conji could reduce more. So, but seriously, also, when are you going to get a babe for yourself? It's like what? 2 years already? Guy, 2 years.
More please are very good. Let's focus on this country.
Guy!
That one I did more important. This one when you talk that nonsense.
See, I've been the plan to organize 1 or 2 babes for you.
Like, stop up there. Enough. Stop it there. The one where you organize, do that can't do. Organizer. No try.
You know you provide for her. That's why she run now. How much you get?
Go to your house.
Calm down. Sorry, no vex. Calm down. I do the vex. When they try you, 2 years, guy. Who's all?
I only knock you and I think something get for you.
You wound yourself.
Come on, shut up.
How can I?
So bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. It's like
Yeah. You know I love you, right?
I love you too, baby.
You know I love you, right?
I love you too, baby.
So I've been thinking about this for a while now.
Wow.
Is your sister and Uzo dating?
Didi, my sister?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, no. They're just good friends and moreover, we're family friends. You know. And besides, Uzo will not even date. Uzo will not try it. My own sister.
Why? Uzo is a nice person. And these people are good to go.
Babe, allow nature to decide, okay? Just allow nature to decide.
Anyways, for me, I think that they are both good together, okay? And if they want to date, it's not a bad idea.
Come on, where is this conversation leading to? I said they are cool friends. And we're like family, nothing else. Why are you invested in this conversation?
That's fine. It's fine.
Chef, what's up?
Look, you're wearing my shirt again. It's like you just go to my wardrobe and be trying my shirts. And once this one goes to your house, it's not coming back again.
Yeah, right.
How's it you?
You're a big boy now. You have money to buy as many as you want. Why are you complaining over this one I'm wearing?
Wanted to buy what? I'm looking for money to Japa.
Japa.
Yes, now. Tell me, how do you want to egg? Scrambled or omelette?
Scrambled, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And talking about Japan. So tell me, where do you prefer? Africa or Europe?
Yeah, I feel like in Europe, yeah, our African designs are more appreciated there. They want to see the African culture, they want to see our pattern, they want to see our designs, our drawings and all that. So I feel like there, the designs will be more appreciated. So trying to build a life for myself. Maybe for us, but myself first. Understand? Yeah. Allow me to make this food for you, please.
I will be making noodles for me. This one you want to Japan. My food is so boring.
Look, you can make this yourself. It's not hard. I've talked to several. I know you yourself. Oh, this girl. What is it?
You want to leave me and go?
Can I make noodles for you, please? Alright, you want? Give me 5 minutes, alright? I'll join you upstairs. Please.
Better.
I will. Yeah.
And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words. expression, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. Feels so bad to love someone.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Draw.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I won.
No, draw.
Is it right?
Draw.
No. Okay,
Fine.
rock, paper, scissors. Let's start. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-1.
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
3-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hello, Mom.
Hey, I'm home.
You're back? Yes, baby. Oh, that's good, Mom. I'll be home soon.
Okay, what about your brother?
He should be home.
No one is here. Just tell him that I'm home. Okay? Alright, see you.
Yes, Mom.
Bye.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, babe. You're welcome.
Your noodle is ready. Let's go.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, come
Oh, my mom is back.
For really?
Yeah, so can I pack the noodles? Like,
Alright,
take
I'll pack it for
away?
you.
Thank you. Yeah, that reminds me, my mom's birthday is coming up next week.
Really?
Just few friends party? No, I mean just us.
Alright,
Family.
I'll save you it.
Mhm.
I'll save it.
And
What?
your new artworks are really beautiful.
You can say that again.
Let me go get my dad.
Alright, sure. Oh, man. Long night, long night. Long night. It'll be a long night. Where do I start? Oh, yeah. It's Ellen's birthday. What did I get for her? What did I... You've seen no sense. Alex and Chloe came with this night. They cannot ruin my night for me. Too much work to do. Oh my god, I get this suffering. Yeah. Where will start from? I don't want to mess my night up. I need to get into my creativity. Get my creative space. Yeah.
Hi, babe.
Yeah. Can I have this?
Thank you.
Hope you don't miss me.
I think I do. Babe, that was blast, you know.
Really?
Yes.
Can say that again.
What a weekend. I'm actually enjoying myself.
That's why I'm here. To make you enjoy yourself.
But it was never my intention to disturb your friend.
Who sent Uzo? Make it loud.
Babe,
I love it when you make it loud.
I know, but
ashamed. You should know.
Why? You know when you're loud, it turns me on, you know? You make it loud. Yeah, I know. Are you sure? Give it to me.
Hey, where's the food now?
Mom, this is my food, not your food.
Oh, it's your food?
Yes.
So you didn't hear that I said I'm
Mom.
It's not my food. You didn't even hear that I'm famished. You didn't hear that? So famished.
You like it, right?
I love it. Who made it?
Oza prepared it, Mom.
You don't say that. You mean Alex's friend?
Yes, Mom. He's not just a good artist, he's also a good cook.
Wow.
Yes.
I can cook.
So, Mom,
delicious.
Tell me, how was the summit?
Interesting. Spoken English. A lot of money made. And that's it. Hectic too. So, you need to tell your brother that I'm home?
I did. Don't worry, he'll reason soon.
Reason means he's not coming back home today?
I don't think so. I'm not sure though.
Sleeping in his friend's house? I don't think I'm comfortable with that. But until he gets here.
Okay. Mom, it's okay now. I don't want to finish this thing.
This
This is my Indomie.
One more scoop. You're rubbish. You're rubbish, right?
You just want to finish everything. It's okay, don't eat again.
Done. Now that I've collected this one, what are we eating tonight?
After all this is written.
After all this I've eaten, three scoops of Indomie is what I will take to bed after all this long journey.
Oh, it's a lie.
Please find me something to eat, happy. Hey, Edna, you can say that again. Yes. It's well, my dear. So well and good. Of my children? Yes. You know Alex now. He's in his friend's place. He is a boss on his own. And no one dares to speak to him as the man of the house. Who does that? Yes, my darling. Edna, please, not now, not today. Out of there right now. No. Edna, what is your problem? What is it? Okay, have I ever complained to you as a friend that I need a partner? No. Or have I ever called you like, hello my friend, please, I am lonely, I need a man in my life, I need someone that will fill this vacuum. Have I done that before? See, as a matter of fact, I can't even remember the last time I felt anything for any man, let alone hanging out. That side of me is dead and gone. Yeah. I don't want to indulge in all of that. That is my final answer. Not now, not ever. You know what? Edna, it's bedtime and I would like to go to bed now. I have work to do tomorrow. Can we please call this a blessed night, Edna? Huh. Please, I beg of you. I'll see you tomorrow at work. Okay? And please be early. Good night. This Edna. Always bugging me with irrelevant idle talks.
Hello?
Hey, big head. Wake up, it's workout time. You're not sounding like someone who had a nap.
Sleep, girl. When I want to see sleep. Nope. Worked all night. You know, there's a lot I have to do.
Yeah, right. Well, it's workout time, so get ready. I'm coming out soon.
You're going jogging already? Alright, cool. I'm passing my street now. I'll join you.
That's fine. Yes. I'll do that. See you soon.
Alright. Yep.
Oh, Jesus.
And finally, you decided to come back.
Morning, Mom.
Has she gone?
Mom, come on.
Do you think you're trying to hurt me, Alex? Is that what you think? Listen, I do everything within my reach to make sure I give you and your sister Didi a good life. And you dare not embarrass me. You dare not!
Mom, no one is trying to embarrass you.
See that girl? She's going to ruin everything and every effort I've made on your head, and that won't be funny.
Mom, Chloe is a good girl. She's my friend. You don't like her and I don't know why.
Really?
Yes!
She's a good girl. And she encourages you to sleep outside your father's house always. Is that how a good girl behaves? Is that?
Mom, I'm now a grown man, not the little Alex you used to know.
Don't mind my left foot. Listen, Alex, you call yourself a grown man, but you still share this roof with me. Why not go hire a place to stay? If you call yourself a grown man, and again, why harbor that silly girl in your friend's house? Grown man? Alex, the grown man. Hello, Mr. Manuel.
Manuel?
Mr. Manuel? How are you? Please. We met on a business summit, and I would like everything that happened there to stop there. No more calling, no more stalking, just let it end there.
Guy, what's going on?
Good.
This one you're looking like this. You had a fight with Mom? Wait, I hope I'm safe.
Didi, I think Mom has a lover.
What?
Yes, you heard me right.
No. Our Mom? Come on. Alex, you know Mom is very classy. And she loves our dad till death.
Didi,
Yes.
things change and people do as well. Come on.
Not our Mom. She doesn't even have time for men. Yes. What about Cleo? Has she gone?
No.
Alex.
Mama, But I don't know how my body is doing like this. So.
In just one phone call.
Guy, she has been calling my mom ever since she arrived from Abuja. It's been 1 month now. Not really one call, guy.
No. Go ahead. So you heard her making love calls like you and Chloe used to do.
See, guy, it doesn't pay me to see my mom so they run this kind of shit.
Look, honestly, I see no issue that your mom will keep work friends or business partners. There's really no issue about that. Do you understand? It's you just getting yourself all worked up.
Mom, I don't know how my body doing, I swear. I don't know.
Well, calm down, no. Don't go use worry, kill yourself. That reminds me. Why didn't you tell me his mom's birthday next week?
Oh shit. I forgot.
Okay.
I wasn't thinking about it. Alright. It's just a small gathering in their house. Nothing serious.
And nothing serious now when your head now only close full your head. Wait till you think about it again.
They beef me.
I beg you better try.
Don't worry, Jerry guy. You will come, Sha?
Deaf now.
It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter where you're from. Love is so strong.
Babe, you got to give love a chance. You cannot continue to bottle up like this and pretend as if you don't feel that thing vibrate sometimes, you know? Edna, I swear to you, I no longer feel anything for anyone, anytime. Listen, you and even a million of your words can never make me think otherwise right now. You know I loved my husband so much, right? I loved him till death, that I even believe that he died with all the emotions, all the feelings, everything feelings in my life. He took away everything. Like right now, I can't remember the last time I thought of any man, or like, I've been dry for decades, you know. Very, very dry. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying, do you?
Hey! Is this how you want to continue living your life?
Absolutely. Very, very comfortable with this. And if you don't mind, can we change this topic?
Helen, look, being a widow does not mean you cannot love or be loved back. Your husband is dead for a long time, so you cannot keep on punishing yourself. Look at you. You are beautiful, young, hardworking, intelligent. You have to give love a chance. See, no man would see all these things and back out just because you're a widow and you do not want to have anything to do with any man. Baby girl, you need to move on.
And I have long moved on. It's my decision. It's my choice. Do you know that my daughter is beginning to ask a lot of questions? Do you know that my son is beginning to look at me with the left eye? Don't you understand? Please, I don't need this. Let's have you in. The door is open. The door is open. May we have you in?
Mr. Mango.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Go for it. I'll be in my office.
You're still in town?
Oh yes, I am. Look, I'm sorry I called you when you were in a meeting with your son. I didn't know about that. And that's exactly why I'm here to apologize, please. Do forgive me.
Mr. Manuel, I would like to ask you a question. What do you want from me? What exactly do you want from this widow that is striving so hard to raise her 2 children into responsible adulthood? Tell me in a simple, clear terms, please.
Ellen, I love you. Yes, I do. Look, I have fallen completely for you. I can't even think straight. Ellen, please. I need you in my life. Okay? Just give me a chance.
Mr. Manuel, there's no chance. Not even a bit of it. Not even an inch of chance for you or for anybody whatsoever. Listen, my children are grown now. They know me. They know my boundaries. They know what I'm capable of. And I am an outstanding model for them. Do you want me to ruin all of that for some flimsy love pretense or declaration by you? Please, I wouldn't want anything or anyone to ruin the beautiful relationship I have built with my children over the years. Not now, not ever. I have an advice for you. Can you please wrap up this lust, obsession, love, or whatever you call it, and throw it very far away from you? Because my lips, it won't work. Like, it will never work.
It's alright. I'll wait. I have all the time and patience in this whole world to wait. And I do hope that someday you will understand me.
Then you have to wait forever or for eternity. If you don't mind, I just resumed office and I have a lot of things to tidy up right now. If you will excuse me with it. Thank you.
Age is just a number when love is involved. It doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter where you're from. Love is so strong, and anything so strong. It comes with sweet melodies, yeah. Butterflies in your belly. Everything is gonna be so beautiful, beautiful. Every moment so beautiful, beautiful. You're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. 'Cause love is beautiful.
What, Mom? What are you doing here?
Are you not happy to see your daughter? Oh, you got a gift from Manuel?
Is this how you barge into people's offices and meddle into things you don't know anything about?
Oh, come on. Mom, is it the same guy Alex told me about this morning?
Oh. He already did?
Oh, come off it, Mom. You know you're not very good at pretending. So tell me.
Listen, this is inconsequential. Do you understand that? Hello? Beatrice? Please, may I have you in my office right now to try something for me? Okay. Thank you. Okay, Didi, are we going to get the cake for tomorrow like I'm rounding off? You're going to pack and leave here now?
Yes.
What's that? You don't give me that reaction. You saw my secretary trash those things, right? Didn't you?
Mom, listen. I don't have any issues with you having a meal. Mom!
Listen, I don't want to toe this line of conversation right now. Listen to me. I am not interested. Not now, not ever. My focus now is on you and Alex, and that is final. And like I said, I'm not ready to entertain this line of conversation.
It's just a number when love is
Sorry, Mom. Sorry.
So are we getting the cake?
Yes, Mommy.
Well then, we move.
Hi,
Hi, Mr. Mamo. Thanks for stopping by.
It's alright. It's okay.
Don't worry. I'll keep talking to her on your behalf.
It's alright. I'll be highly elated if you do. I'll appreciate that.
Don't worry. I will do that.
It's alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, bye.
It's alright.
Hey, what's up with you, honey? How fun now? Oh, rest care. There's no peace for the wicked. For real, I've not had a minute rest. It's back to back work. Oh, I always pick your call now. Who am I not to pick your call? So, any questions? Where are you? Are you home? Oh, you guys went to buy the cake. Oh, that's cool. Okay. See, let me tell you, this big head always calling me. In fact, you see your own big head with your big bumper. No go do hit the gym. Come on, get out of my phone, Darren. Move!
Didi, I guess.
Yeah, Didi. Alex, is this second?
No, he just stepped out.
Oh, okay.
So, Uzo, I've been meaning to ask. Are you two dating? I mean, Didi.
That question is that. You're my best friend's sister. Come on now, no, how about? No.
Does it really matter?
Of course it matters. She's my best friend's sister. She's more family to me. Look, I'm cool with that family. We just friends. We're very, very close. We come together.
Yet, you both does not want to switch things on. I mean, no need of leading yourselves on.
No. We don't want to do that at all.
Okay, but I think you both are perfect together.
If you say so.
I say so.
Thank you for your advice. I will keep it in my heart. Thank you.
Alright, that'll be nice.
Anyway, as you can see, I was busy before you came.
Mom, I've been calling you.
Oh, Okay, yes. The cake.
Are you okay?
Yes, Mom, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Mom, I'll go pick up the cake tomorrow. Alex is going to drive me.
You have something on fire, right?
Yes, that's true. Let me go check.
Alright, Mom. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you for being a beautiful mother to Dike and I. Since Dad died, Mom, you've been nothing but our strength, and we love you so much. Happy birthday, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, my sweet mother. I am so blessed to have you as a mother. We love you so much. And on your special day, we wish you nothing but the best. We pray for long life, good health, more money, and we pray that all your secret prayers be answered. In Jesus' name, amen. I love you, Mommy.
I love you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, I think we should proceed to cutting the cake. But first, Mom, I want you to make a wish.
A wish? You want me to make it public?
Yes, why not?
That's alright, but you know, God says our secret opinions and our secret prayers. He hears it in the secret and solves all our problems in the secret. But meanwhile, I wish for good health, success, money, and excellence.
Okay, so please everyone join me as we sing a happy birthday to my sweet mom here. So 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
I'm sorry, hope I'm not too late. Hi, happy birthday, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma.
Wow.
Hey, you got from here.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
So we were singing a happy birthday song to Mommy. So why don't you join us?
Yes, please.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Sorry, please. Ladies and gentlemen. I'm not late.
No, not at all.
Oh, sorry.
Welcome, sir.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Ellen.
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Please, let's proceed to cut the cake. So, Mom, your cake. Yes. So please, everyone, we are going to pronounce the name Ellen, and after that, Mom cuts the cake.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, go. E. Of course, Mommy. L. L. E. N. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
So, what do we pop?
Okay, relax now. Calm down. Chill. Look, it's just a party, okay? Calm down.
And he showed up? And he showed up? So this guy has something to do with my mom. I can feel it. Can you imagine the effrontery you had to come into our house?
At this point, I really feel like you're overreacting. Honestly, I don't see any bad thing where two adults are friends. I don't see anything wrong with that.
That dude is more than a friend.
Okay, are you trying to say that you don't trust your mother? Eh? Look, your mom is a very nice and accommodating person. Okay, it's very possible that you're friends. I mean, platonic friends, nothing more. It's very possible.
Uzo, I'm doing everything I can to fit in, right? I am. Yeah. But if I eventually find out that that man has something to do with my mom, Baba will hate her for life. Oh,
chill.
I don't talk my own. You know how they be.
Relax.
I don't talk my own.
What? Let me get to water to drink.
Give me alcohol. Give me water. Give me something to calm me down.
Wow. Oh, this is really beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow. You know, Uzo is very talented. He's good, very good when it comes to art. Just look at this.
Honestly,
no,
this picture has blown my mind. I don't know how to describe how I feel right now.
You deserve it. You deserve everything you're getting. Remember, it's your day, and I want you to always be happy.
Thank you.
Uzo is really good when it comes to art. I give that to him.
Honestly.
Just look at this beautiful piece.
Just look at your mother. It's a mother.
It's really beautiful. Come on. I don't want you crying, okay?
Okay.
I just want you to be happy. We all want you to be happy.
Okay.
It's okay.
Hello, Mr. Manuel. Oh, no. That won't be necessary. Yes. No. I thank you so much for the gifts. Yes, I thank you so much for your good intentions. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate it, and neither will I want to neglect it. Yes, but you know what? I think it's high time I focused on my children. Yes. Please, I was in the middle of something before your call came in. Can I call you later? Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Age is just a number when love is involved. It doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter where you're from. Love is so strong than anything so strong. It comes with sweet melodies, yeah. Butterflies in your belly. Everything is gonna be so beautiful. Every moment so beautiful. You're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey.
You're welcome. I know exactly what this feeling is all about. Hey, don't get it twisted. Don't. Hey, girlfriend. Why did you decline his kind request? Right now? As a matter of fact, I do not want to tow this line of conversation right now. You need to explore. I don't know why you're being so safe. What's going on? Very well then. As you can see, I am working and I won't want you or anyone to take me off this memory. I beg you, please can I have the document for Finland Group of Companies immediately? Have it. You just late. Oh, thank you so much. Remember we're hanging out today. Good night.
Can you hear someone just called me?
At night.
You can give a change.
Hello, ma. Yeah.
What?
I came to your office complex about one of my clients' projects. Yeah, I decided to stop by to say hi.
Okay, that's thoughtful of you. Please sit.
No, no need for that. I'm actually in haste.
Hey, what do I offer you? Sit down.
No, it's fine. I have some very urgent work I have to deliver.
Yes, I understand. You have to work and all of that.
Yes. But I mean, actually, I could, take you out sometime to highlight the birthday of my best friend's mom.
Take me out?
Yes.
That would be a bad idea,
Alright, no problem. I'll come around later.
Okay.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Take him. Oh God. Hey, baby girl. Edna, please, I am sorry. I'm sorry I can no longer make it this evening. Yeah, I'm so tired. I just got home. Yeah, it's like my bones are broken. Can't even lift my legs. Please, can't lift my legs. Let's even coming out, hanging out, all these things. I can't make it, please. You can call me a bastard. Call me anything, I will understand. Alright? Okay. My children? Yeah. Alex went to see my dad, his grandfather. He's not feeling too strong. Then my sister called for Chidi. She wants to give her something for me. Yes, I'm home alone. But I'm fine. Just need to rest. Yeah. Bye. Oh. Bye. Helen, what is wrong with you? You cannot be thinking like this. Can't let this guy on you like this. What? Just to think about it. How can I go on a date with my son's friend? Ha! Elaine, come off it. No. You have to shake it off. This cannot, no. That's demeaning. That's belittling myself. It's so demeaning, I cannot do anything like that. No way.
Hello? Bro, Alpha. The waiting room of that restaurant with the close to the other side. Okay, not to go. Okay. Alpha, I is Grandpa. National sickness serious, Rich. No worry, go there right again. Alright, no worries. Later. Ciao. Got this fish. Fish! What's up? Is in there your sister house you want to sleep, Abby? Okay. Yeah, I'm taking Momsy out too. God forbid, thank God you're not. I want to come and finish my life savings in one sitting. I beg you, get out of my phone, Jerry. Sure.
Yeah, I just arrived at my house now.
So, you are damn funny. Honestly, I never knew you have this humorous character. You crack me up all through.
Really?
Yeah.
In fact, I am happy I could spice up your night.
As a matter of fact, you did marvelously well. Okay, remind me of that cabman's.
Oh, that one where he refused to collect my pound sleep because he didn't recognize the faces in it. You won't believe it. Honestly, you won't believe it.
That cracked me up a lot. Okay, you say you're home, right?
Yeah, I'm home now.
Okay.
I'm home now.
Sorry.
Yeah,
It's so
listen, take her home safe, okay? Give me a man.
Are you going already? Hello, Uzo. Just to know if you got home safely. Alright. Bye. I begged him. But why didn't he react to it? Does he mean he doesn't like it? So, but I love you so much. He allowed me to see him again.
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence.
Isn't this beautiful? Isn't it gorgeous? Why are you staring at me like that?
Can I say this for the freaking last time?
What?
You are madly in love with Uzo. It's all over you. It's not just about the art. It's about him. Babe, I can hear your heart echo. You know it.
No. Can we not talk about this? Please. I beg you.
Why can't you just feel rather than pretending? You love this guy.
Yes, I love him. But I'm a woman. You should be the one to come to me, not the other way round.
You've said this countlessly. So me that walk up to your brother and express my feelings to him, does that make him a less human?
That's your choice. That's your choice. Look, you don't expect me to do something I am not comfortable with. Yes, I love Uzo. Yes, I yearn for him. Yes, I want us to have great moments together. But I can't just walk up to him. He has to speak up.
I guess today will be the last time I'll say this to you. One day, a gorgeous woman will walk up to this guy and express her feelings to him. The rest will be history. And I'll remind you of today.
Cleo, come on. I mean, you can't force me to be who I'm not, or make me to do something I don't want to do.
Sure. I rest my case.
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying.
Hey! Alex, right? No, I don't freaking care to know if you know my name or not. My mother is not a trumpet widow. She is not a woman you can get into her legs and become a king. Am I clear? Now this is the last one.
Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Calm down. Nobody says your mom is a trumpet, whatever you call it.
I will not say this again. This is the last one to know, Mr. Manuel. Whatever you call it.
Welcome, Mom.
Where is your brother? Alex!
Mom?
Alex!
Mom.
I said, where is your brother? Oh, here comes the dog. Yes, the man of the house. Listen, this will be the last time you go out there confronting people because of me. What is wrong with you? What has come over you?
Mom, can you just calm down?
Why will this boy believe me when I say there's nothing going on with me and that man?
Please, Mom! He's your newest man and you know it. Can you just admit it and introduce him to us properly? But you know what? I won't second to it because I don't accept such demeaning affairs.
How dare you?
Mom!
How dare you?
Mom, come on!
Come back here! Alex, come back here! Come back here! Alex, I didn't mean to. Alex, you pushed me. You pushed me.
Mom.
Baba, trust me, I'm alright, okay?
You did not drink. But hold on, bro, calm down. Listen, that was quite insensitive. Okay? Did you explain to me what happened? I think at this point you went too far. Do you understand?
Also, I don't regret anything. Not even one bit.
Bro, listen to me. This is not the way to handle situations. It's not the way to handle things. She's your mother. And you need to apologize to her.
Apologize?
Yes, now. But don't be like say they won't see these people on any level safe. No sensitive position, you've seen them, nothing. Listen, your mom, she's an adult. She knows what she wants. Do you understand? She's like, what does she want now, guy?
Uzo, are you trying to say my mother needs a man? Like, my mama need man?
It's not that what I'm saying.
Uzo.
No. Maybe not this man we're talking about. Have you ever thought about maybe you're looking at this whole picture the wrong way? Yeah?
Yo, I trust my instinct, okay? Just don't forget about this stuff, I beg.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to my grandpa's place, I beg. I need to come off.
Bro, just stay safe, I beg.
Whatever.
It's important part. Wow.
He's not taking your calls, right?
He's not. Neither is he replying to my chats. Honestly, I didn't know when I hit him. It wasn't intentional, but he pushed me.
Ellen, that was too extreme. Yes.
Okay, can you imagine your own son policing you? That son was policing me. Why won't he believe that I don't have anything doing with that Manuel man?
Manuel is the problem, right?
Yes, to him is the problem. But to tell you the truth, I wasn't actually thinking about Manuel when this happened.
Then what exactly are you thinking about?
Not to worry. You don't need to know. Don't worry. Nothing.
What do you mean, don't worry? You're thinking about your dad's illness?
No, not at all. But can we please brush off this topic? What I want you to do for me now is call my son's number with your phone. Maybe you could pick.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay, calm down.
Should I call the number or do you have it?
Of course, I have your son's number.
Oh, okay. I'm just worried. Just to make sure that he's fine wherever he is.
Mr. Manuel, I think you should give my friend some time right now because she wouldn't want this to tear her family apart. And her son is already reacting to this.
Well, it's okay. I understand what you mean, Edna. I understand. But you know I'm a widower.
Yes, I do.
I lost my wife 4 years ago. I don't see any reason I would want to play game with Ellen or her feelings. You see, I don't want to be seen as a bad light. Neither do I want to be the reason for this looming chaos.
But
I would have appreciated it if the young man sees my genuine reason, rather than seeing me as a gamer of something of such.
I still insist you give my friend time to get back her family. You know children of these days now. Please.
Sorry. It's okay.
Thank you so much. For the drink?
Yeah, it's fine. You're welcome.
See, I'm here because I want you to help me tell my son that I'm sorry for what I did to him, and I sincerely want him back home.
Okay. I'll talk to your son. I promise. But tell me something. Are you dating Manuel?
No.
You sure?
No.
Okay, this may sound weird, but I get jealous when you're all together. I mean, you and Manuel.
What?
The truth is I can't get you off my mind. I've tried, honestly. I've been watching these videos and looking at these pictures. I simply can't get you off my mind, honestly.
Good.
I think I love you.
The feeling is the same. If you want to hear the truth, but I'm confused. You know, I don't think it's right for me to feel that way for you. I kept fighting it like it's in Naija.
Mom?
Did you? Okay. Didi, I came here because I thought your brother is here, but he's not here. So I'll have to. I should be leaving now.
Hey.
I don't know what's going on. I don't want anything to happen to my family. My brother is so upset with my mom.
Look, Didi, I will talk to him. Okay, I promise. I will talk to your brother. Nothing will happen to your family. Alright? Nothing. Didi, I promise. Nothing will happen to you.
So bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out, and you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out.
Hi, Ozo. There's something I've been meaning to tell you. I've kept this in my heart for so long. The thing is, the thing is, Didi, come on. I mean, should I tell him this? What if he turns me down? Oh God, this is really crazy. How do I confess my feelings to him? Oh God. Chidi, come on. Think. Gosh. Didi. Come on. Gosh.
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out, and you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself.
Who's on wait?
Uzo, I love you too. I can't wait to hold it anymore.
Close your eyes. I said, close your eyes.
Okay.
It's a symbol of my love for you. You can always wear it occasionally.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So I'm a bit worried. What about your friend? I mean Alex, my son.
Yeah.
Didi, all of them. Would they get mad at us?
I believe when two people love each other, love conquers all things.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Don't worry. We'll be fine. Okay?
Thank you for this.
You're welcome. Alright. Gotta take my leave now, okay?
Alright.
Okay, that's the key to be safe.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Thank you. Why is it like this? Nothing. It's about Alex, right? No. He's not been picking your calls. I want you to know that everything will be fine, okay? Just keep it. I'm fine. Okay, I'll be fine. Jimmy, don't worry. Jimmy. Get to the office. See you.
Didi.
Yes,
What did you say?
I love you. Also, I have been keeping this for a long time now. So you refuse to make a move on me. Listen, you're not just my best friend. You are so dear to my heart. I love you a million times. Look,
We can't be more than friends, Didi.
don't say that. Look, you are the first man that I'm telling that I love him. You are the first man, please.
Didi, what are you even saying? Didi, we can't be
Listen.
more than what we are right now, Didi. Stop it if you're joking.
I am not joking. I have strong and genuine feelings for you. Look, I am not joking about this. Okay, please, also don't do this to me. Please.
Okay.
The shame is going to kill me.
Okay, fine, Didi. It's fine, okay. I love you too. Okay? I like you. I appreciate you. In fact, I'm grateful you came up here to tell me all this. Okay, but we can't be more than what we are right now, Didi. Okay, let's keep our friendship like this. You're my best friend. Come on now.
Friendship.
Yes.
Is it because of my brother? Wait, Uzo, are you scared of him?
Didi, you're my friend's sister. Come
So
on.
what? This is my feelings.
Didi.
I have strong feelings for you, Uzo.
Stop it.
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears dying inside.
Alex, I'm sorry. I am your mother. And I don't see any reason you should doubt my words. I'm sorry.
Mom, it's fine. I'm home, right? I forgive you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I missed you, you know. Come here. Don't leave me for this long game.
I want to. I missed you.
What's wrong with your sister?
I don't know, Mom. But I think we should give her some time. Yeah.
Okay.
Didi. Well, if you say you're fine, then it's okay.
I'm fine. Just leave me alone.
Alright.
Oh, I see here.
Yeah.
What is wrong with your sister?
Mom, I don't know. She refused to speak up and she insisted she's fine. So, I'm going to my room.
Didi. The way you look doesn't seem you're fine. Like the way you look right now, you don't look good, you don't seem fine, but if you think you are fine, fine. Listen, I am your mother. You can talk to me, you can speak to me about whatever. Talk to me woman to woman.
Mom, I said I'm fine. Stop pushing it, I'm fine. I just want to be left alone.
Are you sure that's what you want?
Yes, Mom.
Very well then. If that's what you want, I'll leave you. But if you need to talk, I am in my room. Okay?
Come on, you have to drink this, okay? To make you relax your nerves.
Chloe, this is your fault. I told you this. I told you. Now he rejected me. How am I going to face him?
Babe, you have nothing to worry about. You made the right moves. Yes.
He's scared of my brother. He's scared of him.
I don't think so. Why?
You don't get it, do you? I mean, you don't understand how I feel. You don't... I feel like shit. That's exactly how I feel.
I totally understood what you're saying. But you know, Uzo is your friend. Uzo is your guy. Babe, you are bold and stronger than him. And that move make you a strong girl. Okay. Do you think he will change his mind? I'll talk to him.
Thank you, my friend. I mean, thank you for your words of encouragement. I mean, I was really feeling so bad.
I understand. Just take this juice and relax your mind, okay? Everything will be fine.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Still awake. So you stole my sleep and my heart too. Honestly, I can't believe myself right now. Like, I can't get you off my head. That's so sweet to hear. Time and venue. Okay. Also, am I disturbing you? Hello? Are you there? Very well then. Let me allow you to catch some sleep while I do so here. Sweet dreams.
Didi, what are you doing?
Just wait.
You can never be me. That's not me.
Hold on, just wait till I'm done. In the big eyes.
Please stop. That's not me.
In your small mouth.
Oh no. Didi, how
just
many...
stay. Like this. Okay.
How many years have I been teaching you how to draw? That's the nonsense you're doing. I'm never like at this point. I'm not proud of you. Like, I'm just not proud of you right now. For real.
Just stop.
I'm not proud of you. No way.
I'm proud of myself.
See, hold on.
I'm getting it. Come on. Look at it.
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears dying inside.
Who's up?
It's like crying under the
Who's up?
rain, and no one sees your tears dying in silence.
Who's up?
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence.
Where is he now?
So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears dying in silence.
Thank you. For tonight, honestly, I feel so excited. I can't remember the last time I was taken out. I was pampered. I was made to feel like a girl, you know?
You're welcome. Honestly, you're so beautiful. I pray the same reasons with us.
Honestly, I don't care anymore. What matters to me right now is those things that makes me happy. And you are one of them.
I love you.
I love you too. Jason's friend is a gem in his field of artistry. We're definitely going to be a client. You know, the better picture he brought is still ringing bell in my head. Ellie! Yes. What's going on? You're not listening to me. I'm listening. What's the problem? Is it about Alex again?
Yes, it's not about Alex, but somehow it's about him.
Okay, elaborate. What's the problem? You can talk to me. I'm your bosom friend.
Are you going to judge me?
Why would I judge you?
Like, if I tell you the truth, will you judge me?
No.
Okay. The thing is, I'm in love with Uzo.
Uzo? Which Uzo?
The Uzo you know.
Alex's friend? Ellen, you cannot be in love with Uzo. That's not possible. I mean, you are old enough to be his mom. This cannot happen. I hope you've not told anybody about this.
Edna, you promise you're not going to judge me. You're just doing that.
I'm not judging you. I'm stating the obvious facts.
It's like you don't understand this thing. Am I capable of choosing who to fall in love with? This guy rejuvenated all the dead cells in me, and the way he talks to me, the way he touches me, the way he holds my hands, the way he looks at me reminds me of my late husband.
Eileen! Are you okay? This cannot happen. It's not possible. Yes, I want you to fall in love, but not like this. Not with a child. Not with your son's friend. Not with a child you're old enough to be his mom. Ellen, I will not be a part of this. Count me out. I hope nobody, if not told anybody about this, nobody must hear about it though.
I'm not told anybody, that's the problem. I don't know how to code this to my children. Honestly, I love this guy so much that I'm ready to tell the whole world that I love him, but I don't know the code, how to code it to my children so that they won't be mad at me.
And I hope you two you've not had anything.
Not really, but you have kissed, romanced, and
Ellen, you've committed. Ellen, no, are you hearing yourself? You've kissed, you've romanced. Manuel has been patiently waiting for you, loving you, and you're here telling me you are in love with who? Uzo. Please, I don't want anybody to hear this. Let it end in this office between the both of us.
Mom? Yes, Mommy. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Mom, is everything alright? You don't look happy.
I'm fine, don't worry, I'm fine.
You sure?
I'll be in my office. See you. Bye.
Mom, are you sure everything is alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I'm okay.
Mom, listen, I've noticed for some days you've been coming home late. You're always glued to your phone. Mom, if there is a problem, you can talk to me. I'm your daughter.
And I said I'm fine. There's nothing going on special. So I'm fine.
It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. You did another picture for my mom?
Oh, yeah. She demanded for it.
I see. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Uza, I want to know.
Shh. Relax, Chidi. I know where you're going to. Okay? I just want to tell you that everything is fine. Okay, we are good. In fact, we are cool. Alright?
But you're skipping my calls lately. And that's very unusual of you.
Yeah.
You stay on another call for hours. You don't call me back. You don't reply my text. That's vividly an arm's length, Uzo.
Did you know how my work is? You know, it takes all my time. I mean, you all people should understand.
Who is she?
What do you mean, who is she?
Why don't you tell me who she is rather than lying to my face? Also, I know you too well. You're lying to me. So no matter how busy you are, you talk to me. I mean, you at least call me. Spill it out. Tell me who she is.
There's no she, Didi.
Hush!
Didi. Mom.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, Lisa. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Where's your brother?
Alex must be in his room.
In his room?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't check. But I called him severally. He didn't pick, so I thought he was here.
Oh, the house is sleeping. Yeah. Also, I have to go with my mom.
Fine.
We'll talk later.
Alright, fine.
Mom, there's something I need to tell you at home.
Really?
Yeah, take care.
I hope it's not something serious.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. I've never felt this way about any man before. Like, Mom, I really love him. I really do, Mom. Look, I'm telling you this because you are my mother. And you need to know.
And what did he say to you?
He declined. You know, I thought all this while he was waiting for an avenue to express his feelings, to tell me how much he loves me. But I was wrong. I was totally wrong. Mom? Mom!
Yes.
Mom, are you with me?
Yes, my darling, I'm with you. But you know, I am really exhausted. And can we please talk about this tomorrow? I really need to retire to bed now, please.
Oh, Mom, you didn't say anything.
Okay. You have not done anything wrong by expressing yourself just to a man. But I think I have a word for you, but that will be true. But that won't be today. Tomorrow. Okay? I'll tell you something tomorrow.
It's alright, Mom. Let me let you sleep. Good night.
Good night, my darling.
It's alright, Mommy. Good night.
Good night. Good
So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them.
It is what it is, Mr. Manuel. I'm so sorry.
So you mean she has a date all this while?
That I do not know, but she's been pretty occupied all these days, and I could read through her eyes, and I do not know what to say anymore to you. That's the truth. I'm so sorry.
It's alright, Edna. That's no problem. But I won't stop letting her know my intentions. I won't.
But now that she has rekindled with her family, I would appreciate if you give her a little space, because I know my friend.
It's okay. I'll think about it.
Edna, I can never be more serious in my life. Don't you understand? Yes. Do you know the craziest part? The craziest part is that my daughter is in love with the same guy I'm talking to you about. You know what? I don't want to stretch this conversation in. Okay? Wait, I'll get back to you. Let me take this call. Does it call on my daughter's phone? Okay? Hello, Uzo. You couldn't sleep? What? At my gate? By this time? In my living room already? Okay. Okay. I'll be with you. God. God. My God. What am I doing? What am I doing? So it's my husband is them of the night.
So,
Mom?
Didi, I'm sorry. Didi, hold on. Didi.
Why are you crying? Say something to me. What's wrong?
I can't believe this, Alex. I can't.
You can't believe what?
This is not happening. Mom, how could you? How could you do this to me?
Didi.
To us? Mom, what is wrong with you? You are a mentor. I mean, how could you do a thing like this? Say something!
No, wait. What's she saying? This tear is driving me crazy. Please. What have you done?
I'm in love with him. I'm sorry, I don't know.
For God's sake.
But I love him so much and I didn't know how to relate it to you.
In the name of God, can you say something meaningful? You're in love with who, Emmanuel? The guy that sends you gifts?
No.
Who then?
She's in love with your friend.
What are you saying? Which of my friends?
Uzo! I caught her almost naked with Uzo in her bedroom.
Tell me she's lying. It's a prank, right?
I love him.
What? Uzo, my best friend. Mom, you showed your body to Uzo, my best friend? My intimate! No! Uzo! Where's my khaki? Where's my khaki?
Alex! Mom, don't even call my name! You're a disgrace! Alex!
Where's the son of a bitch?
Alex!
Hold on! Come on, where are you? Is he dead?
Alex, just
Where is Uzo?
calm down.
This son of a bitch came into my house to...
Alex!
Where's the bastard? Didi,
What?
is this not mom's pant?
What?
You're on this in his house! Gosh, Mom! I'm even ashamed to call you mother. How can you be sleeping with my friend Uzo?
I did not sleep with your best friend, Uzo.
Oh, come off it, Mom. Mom, what are you even saying? Mom, how could you? How could you do a thing like that?
I am in love with Uzo.
How else am I supposed to say this for you to understand me? I am in love with him and that's it!
Eileen,
What?
Uzo is a boy.
A boy? So if he is a boy, he cannot fall in love with me? Or I am not supposed to fall in love with him?
How is what you're saying not irritating you right now?
Jesus Christ. You can fall in love, but not...
I'm disappointed! Didi, let's
boy,
go.
you especially. You were forcing me to fall in love, sleep in love, feel in love, die in love.
Now that I finally found love, all of you are saying this, complaining that I'm in love with someone. What is it again? What?
Eileen, yes, I wanted you to fall in love, but not like this.
But like how?
See, at this point in time, I'm confused. I never bargained for this. See, you need to apologize to your kids because you have succeeded in tearing them apart. This is wrong with everyone. When it was Manuel, was that Alex in support of it? So why wouldn't they allow me to love again since their father is no longer here? What is wrong with everyone? What is wrong with all of you? I love Uzan, that's fine. I love him so much. What is wrong with you? We want you to fall in love, but not with someone you are old enough to be his mom. As if I can take care of that. As if I can be in charge of who I fall in love with. Please, let me be. Elaine, please, you need to fix this. Fix it. See, you need to fix this, honestly, because yes, I want you to fall in love, but not going around little boys. No! Okay. I get it. I deserve it. And I feel it. Thank you. Thank you. Fix it. Don't get it.
So strong. It comes with sweet melodies, yeah. Butterflies in your belly. Everything is gonna be so beautiful, beautiful. Every moment so beautiful, beautiful. You're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. Cause love is beautiful. It's gonna be so beautiful, beautiful. Every moment beautiful. You're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. Cause love is beautiful. Age is just a number when love is involved. It doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter where you're from. Love is so strong, anything so strong.
I just need to go. I need to clear my head. Start all over. I need to go.
It's gonna be so beautiful. Every moment you're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. Cause love is beautiful.
You bloody asshole! Alex! Are you stupid? My mother!
Alex, please stop! Stop it now, don't do this!
Don't get close to my mother next time!
Alex,
please.
So how could you? How could you do this? After everything, we trusted you, Uzo!
Did you get into the car right now?
Feels so bad to love someone, but you don't know how to let it out. And you keep dying in silence. So many unspoken words, so many expressions, and you keep them all to yourself. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears, dying in silence. It's like crying under the rain, and no one sees your tears.
My children, please, I'm sorry. This past few weeks have been hell for us in this family, especially me.
I don't think we need to continue keeping malice in a family where we once experienced mutual love and peace. Please, I am so sorry. I must have made a mistake in love. But as you know, the heart loves who it wants to love. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, so sorry. If not for any other thing, for the fact that I gave birth to both of you and nurtured you till this age, please forgive me. I'm sorry. And you, Didi, you're a woman like me. I expect you to understand how I feel. Please, I'm sorry.
Mom, please stop. Don't do that.
Mom, it's been difficult for the both of us as well. We just needed you to understand that you hurt us deeply. And one thing I'm grateful about is the fact that you acknowledge your mistake. And who are we not to forgive you?
Mom, you've really hurt us. Most especially me. I was just waiting for the time you would finally come back to your senses. And I'm glad you did. We are also sorry, Mom.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Age is just a number when love is involved.
It's okay, Mom.
Have any of you heard from Uzo?
Mom!
So strong, it comes with sweet melodies, yeah. Butterflies in your belly, everything is gonna be so beautiful, every moment so beautiful, You're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. Cause love is beautiful, it's gonna be so beautiful, every moment, you're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. Cause love is beautiful. Age is just a number when love is involved. It doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter where you're from. Love is so strong than anything so strong. It comes with sweet melodies, yeah. Butterflies in your belly, everything is gonna be so beautiful, every moment so beautiful, You're gonna be feeling on top of the world, hey. Cause love is beautiful, it's gonna be